I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites and making the first changes now. You should wake both devices, keep them close, and turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Once done, open Control Center or Settings and set Airdrop receiving to contacts only or everyone, depending on who's sending. Make sure Personal Hotspot is off because it blocks Airdrop. If you choose Contacts only, verify the sender is in your contacts with their Apple ID email or phone. This establishes the basic connectivity Airdrop needs. Now you'll perform the intermediate fixes that resolve most problems. First, toggle Wi-Fi and Bluetooth off and on. This resets the radios. If that doesn't help, flip airplane mode on for 5 seconds then back off to force a network reinitialization. Next, if you're using contacts only and transfers still fail, sign out and back into your Apple ID or confirm the sender's email/number in contacts. Make sure both devices run recent iOS versions, because software mismatches can prevent discovery. Finish by applying final steps and testing the transfer immediately. Restart both devices to clear lingering glitches, then attempt sending a small photo or file to confirm reception. If problems persist, reset network settings in Settings General Transfer or Reset iPhone. Remember, this removes Wi-Fi passwords. As a targeted troubleshooting tip, temporarily switch Airdrop to everyone to determine if the issue is contact-based. If everyone works, correct contact Apple ID details. After success, revert to your preferred privacy setting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.